Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I make my ofe owerri. Ofe owerri is a tasty Nigerian soup which is popular amongst the eastern people of Nigeria, especially Owerri in Imo State. This soup is very rich and it consists of a lot of orishirishis and obstacles, right? Yeah, but you can still make this soup on a budget. Now, let me introduce you to the ingredients I use for this delicious soup. We have stockfish and snail. All the proteins are properly cleaned, so we have cow skin and shaki, green mackerel fish and cow face, some goat meat. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. So next, we have crab. For the choice of vegetable, we are going to be using fresh ugu leaf and okazi leaf, crayfish, onions and seasoned cube, salt, grounded fish and pepper. For the thickener, we are going to be using blended cocoyam and red palm oil. Ogiri, known as fermented locust beans. I started by cooking the proteins, adding the goat meat, shaki, cow skin, stockfish in a clean pot. Now season with some onions, season cube, some salt to taste. Stir it around, cover the pot, let it simmer for 10 minutes without adding water. 10 minutes later, top it up with some water and cook for some minutes or brings to a boil. Some minutes now, add the cow face, crab, snail, stir it around and add some water to the level of the meat in the pot. Cover and brings to a boil. Now let's check the pot. Go ahead and add in the grounded fish, some pepper, adjust to your taste, season cubes, grounded crayfish, ogiri, red palm oil, stir to combine. Once you are done stirring, scoop in the blended cocoyam. Once you are done adding the cocoyam, go ahead and cover and continue cooking on a high heat. Next, once the soup thickens just like this or to your desired consistency, ofe owerri does not need to be too thick, okay? Now add the grilled mackerel fish. Stir, stir, stir. Now add the fresh okazi leaf. Top it up with some crayfish. Add the fresh ugu leaf. Feel free to taste for salt or seasonings if needed. Stir it around, cover the pot and brings to a boil. Be careful not to overcook your vegetables. After some minutes now, turn off the cooker, stir it around. It is done and ready to be served. Enjoy with any swallow of your choice. Guys, this soup tasted so super delicious and yummylicious. After trying out this recipe, you will never stop asking for more. To my new and old subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow this page, like, share and comment, and turn on your notification bell to be notified any day or time a new video is being uploaded. Remain blessed. See you in my next video. Bye.